So today, the boys and I are gonna be painting some memes. Here's an egg. I'm gonna try not to drop it. I got to choose a meme for the boys to paint. They haven't seen it yet. We have a surprise for you. Pause the music, a surprise. Wait. What's up, boys? A surprise?
You'll see. You'll see when he comes back.
Uh-oh.
Well, we tried to all match a little bit.
Here's the boys. What the heck? Was this planned?
No, not at all. we just tried to, match a little bit. Obviously, I'm not as handsome as these two.
But you guys want me to go get a flannel too?
Yeah,
Go get it.
All right,
Go get it.
The flannel gang.
The unofficial dress code of Easter.
You guys like my flannel?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
You're matching Ewok a little bit.
Yeah, flannel gang. Yeah, this is not paint that meme anymore. This is the flannel get together.
You
Dude,
know,
that could be a podcast right there. So, welcome to our Easter event for the team. We're gonna be painting a meme. The boys don't know what I have prepared. So before I show you guys and them the meme, I'm gonna go over the rules really quick. So there's gonna be 30 minutes to paint the meme. Whoever can closely resemble the egg, the meme, the closest is the winner. That's it. Those are the rules. It's as simple as that. It's not real complex.
Wait,
So
that's confusing. What?
Yeah.
I'm confused too.
I'm confused as well. All right, you guys ready to see it? This is your meme. There it is. It's a classic.
No.
Where are we looking?
Look at what he's wearing though. This cannot be more perfect. Oh my god.
It's like we knew.
This is a rigged, yo. This is rigged.
It's not scripted. This is Javid right below me. That gentleman over there with the Australian accent. That's
Hello, I'm the
Ewok.
Australian one.
He's not Australian. And this is sub down here. Bad Luck Brian, a classic. I knew somebody would appreciate it. Once we say go, make sure you have your utensils ready. We're not gonna go yet. We're just saying, make sure we have it ready.
Hang on. Are we just painting him, or have we got to paint a meme with it?
You're like that kid in class, like, oh, do we have to do this, or can we do more homework, please?
No, you just have to paint Brian.
I haven't got water.
Oh shoot! I need a
Okay,
paper
I don't
towel.
water either.
I need a paper
Get-
towel.
oh my god, come on, guys.
Okay, I'll be right
Painting
back.
101. Go for it. Go. Run. Can I start?
All right, you guys ready for the timer to start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. You have 30
Okay,
minutes
okay.
to paint Brian.
God.
Oh, Javid's got Spike Lee angles, you guys.
I know. Look at it. It's like top
Oh,
quality
no.
production.
Here, Sub and I are scuffed.
Oh my god, how much paint do you have on your right? What is that, Javid?
Who, me? I got a bunch.
You got everything. How do I turn this? I don't want to oh my god.
Oh my
there's no-
gosh, this is scuffed.
I don't have a mix thingy, you know what I mean? Like, this is all I have.
You just gotta go for it. Like, Brian's face on
Shit.
mine is orange. We're all Javid
I'm
fans
trying.
now. Yeah, this is a Javid fanboy stream. Like, Javid's
I'm
a
really
member
worried.
of the team, but he's also the heart and soul. And on top of that, he's the mascot. And on top of that, he's the poster boy.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's everything. He is Crow.
I feel like this is not
Oh.
going well.
It's
Oh.
not, but it's content, right?
It's so wet. Should be dry.
Sorry.
Hey, here comes the "that's what she said" joke.
I tried not to. I tried so hard not to.
Well, hey guys, you're gonna have to
What is
pardon. You're gonna have to pardon Ewok. He's only 19, so his brain's not fully developed yet.
You can see it. You can see it at his shirt, from his
I
shirt.
still have schoolboy humor. Sorry. Favorite 80s cartoon though is definitely Transformers.
Samurai Pizza Cat? Never heard of Samurai Pizza Cat?
What?
Samurai Pizza Cat? No.
Huh?
What?
Wow.
We've had some
What
sort
are
of
you
Dutch
talking
one.
Wow.
about?
Somebody look it up and please confirm that it's something that I just did not make up myself.
Samurai Pizza Cats was awesome. It was like Ninja Turtles meets Voltron styles.
There you go. I love you, Frank. No?
Oh, my cat just threw up.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
He's got a very sensitive stomach.
Is it a rescue cat or have you had the cat since?
No,
a
we've
kid?
had him since he was born. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
this
I've got to try and do a face on him as well after this.
cup and
Brush.
caress the egg. Yeah, guys, if you've ever seen Yu Yu Hakusho, this is my spirit beast, so I have to treat this with love. And if I do anything bad, it'll turn into a monster when it hatches and eat me. That's Yu Yu Hakusho.
I'm gonna pretend I understand what's going on here.
Don't like how Javid's being so quiet. It's like he's taking
He's
this really
focused.
seriously. Exactly. I'm not.
Dude.
I'm not for that.
Mine looks like
What?
Wilson from Castaway.
Wait.
Did you
that's
just
like
say Bruce
a
Willis?
volleyball. No, I said Dennis
So-
the Menace.
Oh.
I actually thought Bruce Willis. So get out of my head, Tommy.
What can I say? When you wear when all the 4 boys are wearing flannel, we're kind of connected.
For real though. Okay, I'm trying to mix it up a little bit over here. I'm just gonna use this white area over here to mix some colors. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we're
I've got
gonna
water on my monitor.
We are so scuffed. This isn't Everyone's having problems. My cat's throwing up.
What?
We got water
What?
on the monitor.
Why is this in just chatting? Why haven't you put this in the art stream? We are artists, Tommy. I deserve that.
Art, yeah.
Okie dokie. You know what?
I deserve the
Give me a-
recognition.
Give me a break. You
Bruh,
just
the white? Oh my god, the white? Nothing is happening.
Why do you need white? You had a white egg. Like from all of us, you're doing with the white egg, right?
'Cause I'm trying to mix his skin color.
The pro designer it's not going well for him.
All right, well, Brian's gonna.
You can make.
do it.
I'm making it a Simpson. I don't know.
Yeah, this is Wilson. This isn't Brian. It's always better when stuff goes wrong. At least people could say it's scripted. But this is scripted, though. It's actually scripted.
100%. Yeah. People actually gonna think that we purposely put on these flannel jackets, according to the meme. It's so perfect.
Oh, dude!
It's so
You guys
perfect.
didn't keep it secret. That was planned.
Javid can you actually draw? Because yours looks really good already.
He's faking it. I'm sure. These are not even his hands right now.
Look, it's
Mine looks-
Brian.
Mine looks more like Roblox Brian at the moment.
I don't know what's happening. I can't even paint on this thing.
Javid out here Picassoing it up.
I know, he looks really good.
Why are we still painting? I'm just wondering.
It's not Rudolph.
Oh my god, you got Rudolph.
I like it. I like it. It's my special egg.
Don't break it though.
It's very hard to paint on an egg.
It
I
is.
agree.
It's very
I
hard.
hear excuses from him now.
Usually we
it
dip
hasn't,
the
it
eggs.
hasn't come out as good as I was expecting.
Can I ask you one thing? Tommy, do you have your pizza?
He's going to put the egg on a pizza afterwards.
I'm not gonna put the egg on the pizza. All right, we're gonna try the dream pizza with egg. Oh!
Sure.
Okay, I'm not gonna put the egg on the pizza.
So we did a team event 8 months ago where we had to make a pizza. So it was me and Sub as Team EU versus Team NA, and we were making pizzas. And Tommy and Dog thought it would be a good idea to put an egg on their pizza and then put it in the oven. Bizarrely, it didn't work out too well,
A raw egg, people. A raw egg.
and the egg didn't cook.
Dude.
and the egg was still running on the pizza.
It's because we had a time limit, bro. If it would have cooked and solidified a little more, it would have been delicious. Like a breakfast pizza. Oh my gosh, this looks like Mr. Potato Head.
Oh, this is awful.
Oh my god. Oh my, this is terrible.
Are you guys doing a whole egg?
Go for the entire egg.
This 19-year-old is sus. He looks at least 21.
I'll take that.
It's the beard.
Seriously,
Yeah.
if I shaved, I would look about 19.
Ewok's parents did consent for him to be on the stream and join the team.
I had written consent.
Yeah, from his legal guardian. So
They sent a
was
fax
a
over
nice-
to Tommy.
It was a nice talk with them.
I get paid 1 candy bar a week. I haven't got a black.
Mix all the colors.
How can you mix colours to make
salt
black?
and pepper highlights, give it away.
Well, I mean, if you mix all the colors, you get brown, which I think is close enough to.
Excuse me.
God bless
Yeah.
Freak.
I put those in to make me look older so I don't get ID'd.
Yeah, easy. See,
I've
you
just come back from the
listen.
States, so I had to look over 21. That's why I did it.
Frink, you continue playing chess. He's gonna keep playing checkers. He said,
I mean,
well
I've got
played.
OTK knocking on my door as we speak, boys. They're seeing this and they're thinking, do you know what? Who's that 19-year-old Australian?
Exactly. Gotta watch out for competition over here. I'm getting more water. This water is like I can't get white. It's getting,
Holy
it's getting
freaking crap. Javid
it's
looks
getting
incredible, dude.
pink.
No,
Oh
look,
my
it's disgusting. I
God.
hope you drop it. Look at him fanning it.
I'm trying to make it dry because like I keep touching it and
Wow.
like, the
I'm
watercolor
impressed.
is like moving. Would you say you're colored impressed?
I am colored impressed. You know, fun fact, I used to say color when I would say color, but this girl who wasn't from our town started working at Subway. She's like, why do you say collar? It's color. And I was like, huh?
We do spell color with a U in Commonwealth countries.
Yeah,
Exactly.
color.
Do you spell it with a U as well?
I do.
Yeah,
It's COLOUR. Color.
Yep.
Hey, I just whistled on accident. I don't think I could do
What?
that again if I tried.
Did you whistle?
Yeah, it
we
was an
didn't hear it.
accident.
Oh my God, I just can't. Oh.
10 minutes.
I needed to dry though. This is like the oven. This is like the oven stage of the pizza.
I got
thing.
nothing. Look at this, guys. What is this?
Wait, what is that?
That's a
Exactly.
Picasso.
What is that?
It's his
Don't
interpretation.
do that. Don't
Yeah.
do that. Don't do that, Javid.
It is subjective. Javid, did you have like a really large egg to paint on?
No, I think it's just like regular.
Look, I cannot get the egg dry enough to paint another layer over it, and then it just gets scuffed.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna do the most impossible thing. I'm gonna mess up my egg. Here we go.
Don't do
Are
that.
you-
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh,
Don't do
are you
that.
smearing it?
Don't do that.
You still have a chance of winning. They can't.
Oh
see that
no.
quickly.
The end.
Here, I'm gonna add my own little flair. This is for the ARC fans in chat. Even though I'm not entered in the competition.
Wait, you're not entered?
No, I'm just a host.
What? Like,
I'm
to
doing it
roast
for
it.
fun.
oh, so we're not, right?
No,
Oh,
we're
you
all
can-
doing
oh.
it for fun, but you guys actually get a win. It says ARC. It definitely does. It looked like it says Mac. What the heck?
I believe in you,
What?
Sub. You got this.
I don't.
Look at the meme. Doesn't it look just like Brian?
Wait, huh?
Huh? It doesn't look as good anymore. What'd you do?
This flipped around.
Oh.
Oh,
okay, he just-
Okay. Wait, how much time do we have? Like 1 second or?
4 minutes.
Like 1 second.
Where did that time go?
It was fun. Javid's town. Dude, Javid's actually Michelangelo, bro.
This is so
Rob,
bad. I have
The
no idea
egg
what
is
you're
the
talking-
meme, you know what I mean?
Yeah, Javid is like the Smurf account we face in Rocket League.
Yeah, Javid's giga smurfing right now.
I don't know what that means.
Smurfing means you're a
wow.
higher rank and you're on a new account schooling noobs. All right, 2 minutes.
What? The paint is not even coming on my egg.
You can tell by the setup that Javid's been practicing all week. He's
This is
just...
pre-recorded. He's got a pre-recorded camera going on right now.
This
Javid,
isn't
can
even
you-
live right now.
Yeah, none
can
of
you
it
tell
is.
What day of the week it is, please?
I told
You
you,
guys-
those are not even his hand.
You guys know
Yes,
I'm a
that's-
big fan of pre-recorded footage. It makes my life easier.
Javid, can you write the date on one of your pieces of paper so we know what you're live?
Yeah, just take your stencil up there and write a 15 on your paper towel.
You want me to write 15 on the face? And
No,
mess
no,
up
no,
my
no, no, no,
84?
no. I want to see Brian close up.
You can't do it. See, it's pre-recorded. It's not live.
Yeah, it's not live, I told you. He actually had, no, this is live, but he's telling the person that he should do it right now.
Yeah.
Wait, Ewok, why did you make me write 15?
Oh, I did because it's April 15th.
Can't even get the red in. I'm
Alright,
trying so
it's
hard.
up.
I've been, what?
Time up. Dude, I gave you
Okay.
guys an extra minute and a half.
No, you
No,
didn't.
oh no. Okay,
Didn't
I'm
even
done.
start then.
Okay, so I will show mine first.
Oh, it's like there's a delay on our end.
Yeah,
then
so
we have
we-
to
we
wait.
can't
we have
see
to
yet.
wait.
It says
That's
ARC, but it's smeared, and then you got Crow.
It's pretty good, Tommy.
He looks like Mr.
Oh,
Potato
damn.
Head.
Is that Brian?
It's Brian.
This is the head. I started off with making background and then the head. And every time I touched the egg with a little bit of water, it like removed everything that was below it. So I got nothing. I'm that kid that got nothing at the end of the class.
Kinda looks like a scab.
That's really good.
That's not
Oh
bad.
my god, how did you do that?
It looks like Brian, but if he was in a Spider-Man costume.
And
I know.
playing in the
Oh shit! I
Simpsons.
didn't even think about Spider-Man costume.
And playing in the Simpsons.
Alright, y'all. I tried my best.
Tried my best. He just
Tried your
wins it.
best.
Oh, dude, you and Ewok are close, actually.
Dude.
It looked... You guys are pretty close.
Dude.
There's
There you go.
Javid's Brian.
Why is it not
Ewok. Okay. Okay, dude. Javid's is...
Camera.
There we go. Nice.
I don't even.
That's Brian. Javid is like, oh, we got Brian. And then Ewok says, we got Brian at home. Brian at home.
We got Brian at Halloween in this Spider-Man costume.
I can't even see it because of the glare.
Yeah, it's good, though. You guys, I think everyone did a great job.
I opened up a bank account with Julia the other day, so I have an American bank account now, and they gave us a choice of all the cards to have. So she chose like a tie-dye one, and then there was like a Harry Potter wizard design. So she thought I was going to go for that, but oh no, I went for a card design with the American flag on it.
Yeah, America!
Hang on here. Hang
Ewok
on.
came
This
in
is-
dead last.
This is such a fix. They both voted for Sub because there's no way Sub's was better than mine.
Of course it was.
They basically put paint on the egg.
Mine,
That's
mine was abstract. It was abstract, okay?
Yours was absent. Yours was absent. That's what it was.
You're just mad. You're just mad.
It's Brexit all over again.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Man brings Brexit into it. Don't you start me on Brexit.
I would have voted for you, Ewok, but I forgot.
I didn't vote.
You did. You voted for yourself, didn't
I
you?
voted. Did you? I got my vote sticker. I think this was our funnest event yet.
I'd just like to say I'm low-key salty right now.
Oh, don't worry. We
Dude,
have
stop
an event
using
for
that
Salty too.
19-year-old slang low key.
Sub's still painting. Disqualify him. He's still painting. He's still trying to make it better, even though he's beating me. Get him out of here. Gone. No shot. He wins.
We're gonna make NFTs of the screenshots.
NFT eggs. It's the way forwards, boys.
How much Ethereum you guys gonna put on this one? I think that's where the event comes to a close. Bye everyone.